Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin. Mark, I am a little tired today.
Me too. I need a coffee.
Yes, a coffee sounds good.
There is a cafe near here.
Oh, is it far?
No, it is just down the street.
Good. Let's go there.
It is a nice cafe. I think you will like it.
I hope so. I really need a warm drink.
Me too. Come on, let's walk.
Oh, this place looks very nice.
Yes, I love this cafe.
It looks cozy and warm.
It is, and the coffee is very good here.
I can see tables outside.
Yes, we can sit inside or outside.
It is a little cold today.
You are right. Let's sit inside.
Okay, that sounds better.
Come on, let's go in.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
Yes, that is the smell of fresh coffee.
I love that smell.
The cafe is not too busy today.
Good. We can find a nice table.
How about that table near the window?
Yes, that one looks perfect.
Let's sit down, then we can look at the menu.
Okay, I will put my bag down.
Good, I will get the menus.
There are so many things on the menu.
Yes, but don't worry, I will help you.
What is an Americano?
An Americano is a black coffee. It is strong.
Oh, and what is a latte?
A latte has a coffee and a lot of milk. It is smooth and creamy.
That sounds nice.
It is a good choice for beginners.
What about a cappuccino?
A cappuccino also has milk, but it has foam on top.
Foam? What is foam?
Foam is the soft, white, bubbly part on top of the drink.
Oh, I see. That sounds good too.
Hello, welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
Great. What would you like?
I would like a flat white, please.
Of course. And for you?
Can I have a latte, please?
Of course. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is cold today.
Good choice. Would you like anything to eat?
Oh, yes. What do you have?
We have muffins, croissants, and toast.
I will have a croissant, please.
And I will have a muffin, please.
Perfect. I will bring everything soon.
Mark, what is a flat white?
It is coffee with a little milk. Less milk than a latte.
Oh, so it is stronger than a latte?
Yes, a little stronger.
I see. And what about espresso?
Espresso is very strong and very small.
Very small?
Yes, it comes in a tiny cup, just 1 or 2 sips.
Oh, that is very small.
But it has a lot of coffee in it. It gives you energy.
I don't think I want that. I like milk in my coffee.
That is okay. A latte is perfect for you.
Here you are. 1 flat white and 1 latte.
Oh, thank you so much.
And 1 croissant and 1 blueberry muffin.
Thank you. This looks wonderful.
Enjoy. Let me know if you need anything.
We will. Thank you. Oh, this is so good.
Haha, I told you.
It is so smooth and a little sweet.
Did you add sugar?
No, I did not add anything.
Then the milk makes it taste a little sweet naturally.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, good milk makes coffee taste better.
I am learning a lot today.
About coffee?
Yes, about coffee and about cafes.
Good. This is an important place in daily life.
You are right. People go to cafes every day.
Exactly, so it is good to know the words.
Mark, I think there is a small problem.
What is the matter?
I ordered a blueberry muffin,
Yes, that is what she brought you.
but I think this is a chocolate muffin.
Oh, really? Let me look.
See? It is dark inside, not blue.
You're right. It looks like chocolate.
What should I do?
You can ask the barista. It is okay to say something.
But I don't want to be rude.
You are not being rude. It is just a small mistake.
Okay, I will talk to her. Excuse me, I am sorry to bother you.
Of course. No problem. What can I help you with?
I think there is a small mistake.
Oh, I am sorry. What happened?
I ordered a blueberry muffin, but I think this is chocolate.
Oh no, I am so sorry about that.
It is okay. It was a small mistake.
Let me bring you the right one right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I am sorry again. It will only take 1 minute.
No problem. Thank you.
That was very good, Emma.
What do you mean?
You spoke to the barista very well.
Oh, thank you. I was a little nervous.
Your English was clear and polite.
I just said simple words.
That is all you need, simple and polite words.
Mark, this was a really nice morning.
I agree. I love mornings like this.
I feel relaxed now.
Good. That is what a cafe is for.
I learned so many new words today.
Like what?
Latte, cappuccino, espresso, foam, croissant.
Very good. You remembered all of them.
And I learned how to order and how to fix a mistake.
You did everything right today.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Of course, we should come back again sometime.
Yes, I would like that very much.
Me too, Emma. Me too.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.